Confidence is essential in moments like these. But it's not just about believing in yourself. It's about being prepared for what's ahead. That's how you truly succeed. I absolutely love this Z bracelet. The rubies are so vibrant and the diamonds sparkle. It's so elegant and luxurious. This is truly a piece of art. Let me show you this stunning Z bracelet. It's absolutely exquisite, with the Z in sparkling stones. It pairs so perfectly with my look tonight. I absolutely love it.